Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fair of Fashion and Style. Today, I'm sharing some beautiful and elegant, plain dress designs that prove you don't always need heavy embroidery, fancy prints, or too much decoration to create a stylish outfit. Sometimes, simplicity itself can make a dress look more graceful, modern, and luxurious. If you are planning to stitch a new dress, take inspiration from these plain dress designs and create something that matches your own personality and style. If you love simple outfits that are easy to wear, comfortable, and perfect for everyday occasions, then these designs are definitely for you. A plain dress in a beautiful solid color can instantly give you a clean and sophisticated look. The best thing about a plain dress is that you can style it in so many different ways. You can keep the neckline simple or add a delicate lace, piping, buttons, or a small amount of embroidery around the neck and sleeves. Let's talk about the sleeves. Simple sleeves can completely change the look of a plain dress. You can choose straight sleeves for a classic appearance, slightly puffed sleeves for a trendy look, or bell sleeves if you want something more stylish and feminine. Even a small detail like a contrasting border at the sleeve cuff can make a simple dress look very attractive. Plain dresses are also perfect for creating different looks for different occasions. You can also make a plain dress interesting by using contrast. Which design would you choose for yourself? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more new dress designs, stylish neck designs, sleeve ideas, and fashion inspiration. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Stay stylish, simple, and keep shining. Allah Hafiz.